Hello guys, today introduce you this newest watch from Seagull. It's for the 70th anniversary of the founding of China. See, on the dial you can see 4 Chinese characters. It says 祖国万岁, it means long live homeland. And you can see the back, 70 here, 70th anniversary. You can see the little details here, the limited numbers right here, and 50 meters water system is here. And the dimension of this watch is 40 here, right, 40, and it's 10. It's a thin watch, very thin actually, and it's a business type watch. You see, you can wear it for the meeting or casual events, whatever. It's a good watch. And it used the movement. It's called a Seagull ST2130. Seagull produces many movements, and I think the ST2030 is the best among them. It's very steady movement, and there you go. Put it right here. Oh, this is the package, the gift box from Seagull. Some papers. This certificate for collection. So just the paper. And this one, heavy one, picture album of the old times. It records the history of the China. Leaders, old time pictures, history. It's history here. History. President Xi Jinping, tough guy. Okay, and this one, a newspaper of 1949, October 1st. It's the day of the founding of People's Republic of China. It's a very special day for Chinese people, which makes this newspaper very special. The news on that day. It's a copy version, of course. If you have the original one, you'll be rich. Seriously. Okay. And this one, papers right here. Okay, this is the whole pack of the watch. You see, a little heavy. Okay, let me show you again the watch right here. It's a simple design. It looks very good. See, it's very simple, very decent. Okay, that's it. Okay, thank you.